Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Cool video today. Hey, it won't be real long, but it's a 2011 Roush 5XR. Pretty cool car. I think they only made about 150 of these. This is car number 11, factory supercharged. We installed our Roush 710R upgrade. It also has headers. Hey, we're gonna go take a look at this engine compartment here in a second. We're gonna make a couple dyno pulls, see what kind of numbers it makes. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify, and don't forget, in that description, always leave links to all the parts we're going to talk about in a second. Let's get started. All right, here's what we have going today, and here's what we installed. And this car has a crazy radiator cover on it that we're going to take a little bit closer look at. But it's our 710R upgrade. It's our spine 82mm pulley, boost the pump. We, of course, run Kohler spark plugs, and we do run the Roush cold air intake. I have Corinne with me. If you don't mind coming down here, let's take a look. You know, the Roush TVS 2300. If you already have a Roush car, we can upgrade this. But if you don't, we do sell this Supercharger all by itself. So you have a normal GT, you can do that. Takes up to about 710 flywheel horsepower with free-flowing exhaust. We are targeting over 600 real horsepower. And we also already had on this car a set of long tube headers. We did a cooler thermostat, a high flow fan, aluminum drive shaft. Now Corinne, look at this radiator cover right here. Crazy airbrushing on this. You have Jack Roush himself airbrushed on this. Jack Roush's signature, at least I think this is airbrushed, along with a picture of the Mustang that we're looking at right here. Pretty neat setup. A lot of power on the street. We are running 93 octane pump gas, manual transmission car. So there's it right there, the 710R, headers, aluminum drive shaft, some cooling upgrades. If I didn't mention before, we do the rear cylinder head cooling kicks. I love cooling mods. Let's make a couple dyno pulls. All right, the numbers are in, and this is why this is one of my all-time favorite packages for 11 to 14 Mustangs. Corinne, if you don't mind, walk over here. 2 pulls in a row. First, we came in 613 real horsepower at 7150. Second, 610 at 7160. Ran about 7200 RPM. Right here, torque, 494 on the first pull, 484 on the second. And of course, right when we go wide open throttle, we're over 450 torque to the tires. Now that is on our dyno jet. That is rated SAE. So those are sweet numbers. Manual training, 93 octane, just get in the car and have a good time. Corinne, if you don't mind, let's take one more look at this sweet 5XR. I have had a handful of these in here. It's a pretty nice ride. Like I said, I think there's maybe 150 of these made, so we don't see a lot of them, but sometimes they come in. Really cool black on black graphic right there, 5XR. So again, hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Don't forget, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to find out what that costs to get installed. You can upgrade your current Roush. If you have a GT, we can put this package on it. And that's pretty much it for today. Check out brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.